hybrid distinguishes itself through its impressive fuel efficiency, affordability, and cutting-edge technology. Its spacious, high-quality interior elevates the overall driving experience. Moreover, both SUVs are equipped with advanced safety systems that prioritize occupant protection and enhance overall driving security. Such innovations reflect the manufacturer's dedication to driver assistance technologies. The Toyota RAV4, celebrated for its legendary reliability, offers multiple hybrid options catering to diverse preferences. It strikes an effective balance between fuel efficiency and off-road capabilities, appealing to a wide range of drivers. Additionally, the 2025 RAV4 introduces an array of trims, including the adventure-ready Toyota Racing Development variant, which is specifically designed for tackling challenging terrains, thereby enhancing its versatility. Technological improvements in the RAV4 feature an upgraded infotainment system with a responsive touchscreen, complemented by enhanced safety features like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking. Furthermore, the 2025 RAV4's exterior design merges modern aesthetics with aerodynamic enhancements to boost fuel efficiency, resulting in a stylish yet functional vehicle that meets the needs of diverse drivers. On the other hand, the Subaru Outback Wilderness is crafted for off-road exploration, showcasing all-wheel drive and advanced off-road technology that ensure smooth navigation through challenging landscapes. Its spacious interior caters well to outdoor enthusiasts. Affordability stands as a notable feature of the Subaru Outback Wilderness, as it provides premium features at a competitive price while maintaining strong resale value, making it an appealing option for many buyers. The Lexus RX uniquely combines luxury with practicality, offering a refined hybrid drivetrain alongside state-of-the-art safety systems. Its sophisticated technology positions it as a top contender among sport utility vehicles. Moreover, the Lexus RX is renowned for its exceptional build quality, utilizing high-end materials and craftsmanship that guarantee durability and longevity, setting the model apart from its competitors. Inside, the Lexus RX presents a luxurious cabin filled with innovative technologies and ample comfort, featuring spacious seating and advanced infotainment systems that enrich the experience for all passengers. In stark contrast, the Jeep Compass grapples with reliability and build quality issues, often leading to high maintenance costs and owner dissatisfaction. This underscores the critical nature of selecting a dependable SUV. Moreover, the Jeep Compass suffers significant depreciation shortly after purchase, making it an unappealing investment in a competitive market where alternatives provide greater reliability and quality. Similarly, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio captivates with its striking design but faces criticism due to mechanical issues and hefty ownership costs, making it a precarious choice for luxury SUV buyers in 2025. The Ford Edge, meanwhile, struggles with an outdated design and lackluster fuel economy, trailing behind competitors who embrace contemporary technology and efficiency. Buyers are advised to consider more innovative alternatives. Reliability concerns associated with the Ford Edge have resulted in escalating repair costs, particularly as the vehicle ages, which undermines its overall perceived value among consumers. Additionally, the Edge's failure to implement substantial enhancements in its recent models has left it lagging behind competitors that provide groundbreaking technology and advanced safety features, affecting its market standing. Lastly, competing models like the Infiniti QX50 also struggle with performance and design shortcomings, failing to meet the luxury expectations of discerning buyers, thereby highlighting the increasing demand for vehicles that merge style with reliability.